Hello everybody, I'm Kyle with Utility Composites Incorporated. We are the manufacturer of Raptor polymer composite fasteners. In this edition of Raptor University, I am going to explain some details about the Raptor product line. First, I want to tell you about the nomenclature for Raptor products. Then I will go through the product line and tell you which tools work with which fasteners. And finally, I want to present to you the products that do not require special tools. One of our most popular products is the S0537 staple. The first letter S signifies staple, and since it is the only letter, it signifies fine gauge staple. The 05 signifies size of the crown without the decimal. In this case, it's a 1/2 inch crown. And the 37 indicates the length of the staple leg in hundredths of an inch. In this case, the staple has 3/8 of an inch legs, which is 0.375, and we shorten that to 37. In Raptor nomenclature, the SH indicates our heavy gauge staples, again followed by the crown size, either 0.5 or 0.4, written as 05 or 04, and finally the leg length in hundredths of an inch. For Raptor nails, the first letter indicates what type of nail it is. F indicates finish nail, B indicates the small head brad nails, P indicates pin nails, and CL indicates clamp nail. The first number following the letter signifies the gauge of the nail, and the final number signifies the length of the nail in hundredths of an inch. For instance, the name F15125 means a finish nail that is 15 gauge and 1 1/4 inches long. Our common nails are either collated or in bulk, so their name begins with either coil or bulk. The next number for the common nails is the penny size of the nail, either 5 penny, which is 1 5/8 inches long, or 8 penny, which is 2 1/4 inches long. The angle of collation, either 0 or 15 degrees, is listed last in the product name for coil nails. Finally, there may be a specialty designation at the end of the product name, such as CP for chisel point or BR for brown. Here is a list of the specialty designators. We offer 3 types of staplers for the Raptor Fine Gauge S05 series staples: a manual hammer stapler, manual compression staplers, and pneumatic staplers, also known as air-driven staplers. The G3PS hammer tacker is great where there is no compressed air available and the placement of the staple does not need to be too precise. This tool will accept the 1/4 inch and the 3/8 of an inch leg staples, but not the 9/16 of an inch leg staples. We offer 2 different compression staplers that are ideal for low volume use where no compressed air is available and more precise staple placement is important. The CT6000P is the most popular compression stapler, and the premium CS5000P is more durable and repairable at a bit of a higher price. Our Omer 81P pneumatic staplers for the S05 series staples are offered with 4 variations: trigger safety with a regular size magazine, nose safety with a regular size magazine, trigger safety with a long magazine, and nose safety with a long magazine. Raptor Heavy Gauge SH05 series staples have a 1/2 inch crown and a generous radius under the crown so that they won't cut through paper, wrap, or film. They are manufactured in 2 lengths, 3/8 of an inch and 9/16 of an inch. We offer manual hammer staplers and pneumatic staplers for the SH05 series staples. The G11P SH05 and the G3PS hammer tackers are similar in price and performance, and both accept the 3/8 of an inch leg staple, but not the 9/16 of an inch leg staple. The Omer 82P pneumatic staplers for the Raptor SH05 series staples also have the same 4 options of safety and magazine length as the 81P previously mentioned. Raptor SH04 series staples have a slightly narrower crown than the other staples and 7/16 of an inch legs. This is a very strong and durable staple for which we offer a hammer stapler and pneumatic stapler and also a cap stapler. The G3PS hammer stapler accepts the SH04 series staple as well as the S05 and the SH05 staples. The Omer 83P pneumatic staplers are available for the SH04 with either a nose or trigger safety. We offer the RC SH04 cap stapler, which applies a patented plastic cap with the SH04 series staples to provide a secure, watertight seal when wrapping lumber. All of the Omer pneumatic staplers are compatible with the timber tagger system that attaches tags to lumber. Raptor headless pins are made in two different gauges, 18 gauge, aka P18, and then the thicker 16 gauge, aka P16. The P18 nail leaves the smallest footprint and is manufactured in 4 different lengths, 7/16, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. The pneumatic tool engineered for the Raptor 18 gauge pins is the Omer RI.25P. Raptor P16 pins are manufactured in 3 lengths, 7/16, 5/8, and 3/4. The pneumatic tool engineered specifically for the 16 gauge pins is the Omer R14.25P. We manufacture our Raptor 18 gauge brad nails in 4 different lengths, 7/16, 5/8, 3/4, and 1 inch. The pneumatic tools engineered for our 18 gauge brad nails are the Omer 1220P, which accepts lengths up to 3/4 of an inch, and the Omer 12P.25, which accepts the full range up to 1 inch. Our popular Raptor F15 finish nails are the workhorse for fastening. We manufacture these nails in 8 different lengths, ranging from a 1/2 inch to 2 1/4. We offer 2 pneumatic tools that are engineered for these nails, the Omer 17P.32 and the Omer B17P.763. The 17P32 is our economy tool and does not have all of the features of the premium B17P.763, such as the quick nose plate, and it will not accept nails longer than 1 1/4 inches. The B17P.763 will accept all nail lengths from a 1/2 inch to 2 1/4. Raptor common nails are sold as bulk loose nails or collated nails in 2 different lengths, 1 5/8 and 2 1/4. The bulk version of this nail is primarily driven using a handheld hammer into softwood applications. If you need to use them in harder woods, a pilot hole is required. We recommend the Max CN 565S2 nailer for Raptor coil nails. There are numerous 15-degree plastic strip coalition nailers on the market, and each may work well with our coil nails, but we have not tested them and so we cannot recommend them. The Max tool is widely available both online and in stores. Raptor clamp nails are used to join together 2 mitered corners having a pre-cut slot. Clamp nails may also be called joint nails or kerf nails. Our palm nailer, having a slot in the nose, is used to hold the clamp nail in place while it drives it into the pre-cut slot. The Raptor clamp nails are manufactured in 4 different lengths, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 2 3/4, and 4 inches. The following 3 products do not require special tools, but we will mention them here to complete our product line. The Raptor Spike Nail is a 6-inch long nail and is widely used in field and turf applications. A standard handheld hammer is used to drive this nail. Our copula fastener is a unique double-pointed fastener with a flange in the middle. They are manufactured in 2 different lengths, 1 inch and 1.2, and they are used for foam joinery and composite manufacturing applications. Copula fasteners are manually inserted. Raptor snap studs are used in place of a metal snap stud and are snapped together with the metal snap cap for secure holding without possibility of fusion of the 2 halves from corrosion. They are used primarily in the marine industry. In this Raptor U video, we have presented our composite fastener product line. We have covered Raptor fastener nomenclature and the required tools for Raptor fasteners, as well as mentioning those products that do not require special tools for installation. For questions regarding Raptor, please contact us using the information on the next screen. We are always happy to hear directly from you and learn more about your application. Thank you for tuning into this edition of Raptor University. I hope to see you again next time. And again, always remember, Whenever metal fasteners are a problem, Raptor is the solution.